You're mad! You're mad! How can you block me from accessing my office? Police, you're mad! Police, you're mad! What your driver are doing is wrong! If they didn't want us to come here to access this place, they would have written to us. But every Monday I'm supposed to access my youth office because on Monday I'll be in Parliament. I'm always here every Monday. So whatever they are doing is unlawful. They didn't write to us, they didn't inform us, they didn't tell us anything. Personally, as a person, I'm not aware about anything. I'm not even supposed to be talking to them. They are supposed to open this place.
They have covered the whole place. The whole office is covered by police. Since when did they begin to be askaris to that place? We cannot do anything. We cannot enter those offices. They are claiming that you cannot even stand alongside the road. Is this police?
Of course not. I'm not. Let me mobilize. Let me see what we can do. Yeah. I'm not satisfied. And you have seen how we have fought. Thank you so much for being there, Mr. President.